Okay, so today's job, we're going to be painting that chrome VW badge black. So to get the badge off, we need to take the grille off, which is just two T25s. What's up there? So let's get them undone. Okay, so I've got the badge out. Basically what you need to do is twist it about that much on the grille, and then behind, this way you need to take the grille off. It's these little clips. One of them's already broke, that wasn't me. You need to get a little screwdriver, just prise these in so they pretty much go flat. You sort of get one out and the other one tends to sort of follow up with it. So right now I've got the badge removed. I'm just going to rub it down with some fine sandpaper, just enough to give it something to key to. There's also a couple of little bubbles in there, so I'm not too worried if it don't come out the best, because I could always replace this later down the line. I also noticed what a lot of people do is paint the inside red, obviously this bit black. So what you need to do if you want to do that is try and get the badge removed from this backing, but there's little clips that pop through there. I'm not going to do it myself because I've got a feeling if I try and pop these out, these clips will break. But you could always glue it back on if that's what you want to do, and obviously paint that bit red, paint this black, and then stick it back on. So for now I'm just going to rub this down, give it a key to the finish. I'll put some white spirit on it just to get rid of the road grease and all that, so the paint sticks to it well. I'll be back. Okay, so I've scuffed the paintwork with a bit of fine sandpaper. I'm going to use this satin paint, black spray paint. I've only got a little bit left, so hopefully there'll be enough to do it. And yeah, I've cleaned it up with a bit of white spirit just so the silicone marks don't come through, grease and what have you. So let's give it a go. First coat, going to go really light, just a light dusting. So we'll let that dry for about 10 minutes now, and I'll come back and go a bit heavier on the second coat. Okay, so I went over it with about 3 or 4 coats. There's a little bit of silicone marks coming through there, but again, it can't be perfect. It does look pretty good. There's a little bubble just under the chrome. Yeah, that looks pretty smart. So I'm going to let this dry for an hour or so. I'll stick it back on the grill. Go, job done. Yeah, oh, that's cool. So thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed that. Really easy mod to do. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon.